Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. If you notice, this is our work from yesterday. I'm going to quickly go over the data and give you some feedback on your responses. And if you look here, I only have 65 responses. I know there's a lot more of us than that, so I'll be getting in contact when I notice that work isn't getting done. If you notice, I get those timestamps here, so I'm just giving you a look at the teacher's perspective. Now from the data. So question one, which sentence best supports the main idea? The main idea, you got to take a step back and think, because it's like a two-layer question. One, you're giving a supporting detail, right? But two, what is the main idea of the article? So you got to look here. And to be quite honest, even if you look at the title, if we go back to your perspective, right here, know your cold and flu virus and how to make a speedy recovery, which is the topic of the entire article. And of course, you should have read that and used the Ella first. But if you go back here, your best supporting detail should have supported that overarching idea. So cold and flu viruses, despite their strengths inside our warm bodies, are physically wimpy and cannot bear the harsh conditions of the dry and outside world. This would have been the best choice because it talks about both. The others automatically, if you notice here, common cold viruses, it only talks about virus, that perspective. This next one, viruses outside the body are not dead or alive. This is just about virus. Viruses cannot multiply their on their own. So again, these three are only talking about viruses. The one up at the top talks about both cold and flu viruses, which should help you get to that sentence that best supports the main idea. Which paragraph from the text best helps us understand the meaning of the words infectious in paragraph 4? The word after infectious, which was agent, is the word that you should have selected that helps you understand infectious. Not that it stands for that, not that it means that, not that it's a synonym, but it's kind of like an assisting word to help you get towards the meaning. And then what surprised you in the text? Make sure that we're just writing in complete sentences. So what surprised you? The country as a whole sees 9.3 to 49 million cases of the flu annually. This is a good complete sentence to answer that. What did the author think you knew but you didn't? The author thought I knew what influenza and another name for the flu was. So just kind of explain those things, okay? Alrighty. That was just a recap of yesterday's work. Make sure you have grit and tenacity when you're doing your work.